Welcome back, explorers. This month, we talked about how we're all unique.
We learned that everyone likes different things, feels different ways, and has their own strengths.
And even though we're different, we can still be together.
We can listen to each other.
Be kind.
Take turns.
And make space so everyone feels included.
That's what friendship and respect look like.
Being unique.
And united.
Now let's sing about it together.
We're all a little different, that's easy to see. Different likes and talents, you and me. Different but together, unique and united. We can be ourselves and still belong. Different but together, unique and united. Kindness brings us close, we're strong. Different, unique, together.